everybody, welcome to Wayne and Ashley's Small World. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make churro popcorn. It's got the cinnamon, the sugar. It's going to be a glaze that's going to go over the popcorn, and I'm going to show you how I pop my popcorn in my popcorn machine. You can do it any way you like at home, whether you're doing that in a pot or a little machine on the counter or a full-blown popcorn machine. With the glaze, it's absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorite flavors. I have a couple of other popcorn videos that you can check out. First one I did was movie theater popcorn, and the second one I did was a caramel corn. Those are doing pretty good, and those were delicious. So I'm going to elaborate today a little bit more on my popcorn, and I'm going to show you how I do that right now. Okay, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that we have for our glaze that we're going to be doing on the stove. We have our butter, our brown sugar, our vanilla, and our cinnamon. And for our coating that we are going to do, it's a churro coating. We got regular sugar, powdered sugar, and our cinnamon. And first things first, we are going to mix in a bowl our powdered sugar, and we're just going to mix this together in this bowl. This will be the coating that we're going to put on our popcorn before we pour the glaze. Let's give this a nice mixing so everything's mixed together. It actually smells amazing right now. The cinnamon's just, the aroma is coming out. Oh man. Smells great. Stuff in there. Alright. Now, we're going to move on to the popcorn machine. Alright, so first things first, in my popcorn machine, I'll show you how I do this. I use this for my coconut oil. I put about 2 scoops of this in there, and then I put a good heaping spoonful of kernels in with that. So, I got my warmer on. I get this nice and hot. I'm going to put a big heaping spoonful of this right in there. That's all done. So here we go. Just gonna wait for this popcorn to start popping. There you have it. We got all our popcorn. I'm going to probably have a good amount of extra here, but the kids will love it. So will I. And we did not salt this, so you know, we just did the oil, no salt. And this was 2 spoonfuls of kernels, and 2 of, I would say, that spoon I used for the oil was probably about maybe 4 tablespoons, because I let it heaping. So if you don't have a spoon like that with a popcorn machine, I'd say about 4 tablespoons. That's what I did. And it makes that. So that's a lot. Okay, we got our popcorn. This is about 8 cups of popcorn. So if you popped extra, just measure out 8 cups of popped popcorn. And then we are going to mix our mixture into the popcorn and coat this evenly. Try to get this coated good. Just want to try to get this coated with the mixture as good as you can. Get the little flavoring on every piece as best as possible. That actually smells really, really good, to be honest with you. Mixed with the popcorn. Alright, that looks like it's neatly coated. Alright, we got our oven on medium. We have our butter, brown sugar, our vanilla, and our cinnamon. We're going to put all these right into the pot. Start off with our butter. And it's best to cut the butter up into the chunks like that so it'll melt quicker. We just want to get this heated up to where the butter and sugar are fully melted into a glaze. Glaze also smells really good, so I can only imagine putting this together with the popcorn would taste amazing, and it's already powder coated with sugar. And cinnamon. As you can see, this is starting to glaze up here, getting nice and melted. More liquid form. That's exactly what we want. Alright, this is coming together nicely. Basically a good, nice liquid glaze form that we can pour right on our popcorn and mix it together. Okay, let's go pour this on our popcorn. You don't want to pour it all on at once. Basically pour it a little bit at a time. And mix that up. Mix this up again. Give this all a nice coating. Just be very careful, you don't want to break the popcorn, so try to get underneath it and not chop through it. Otherwise you'll end up with more little pieces than full pieces. And try to bring the bottom back to the top. Give it a good mixture so everything gets coated. Pour a little more on. A good mix again. I'm going to pour the last little bit that I have on here. Have a little piece out of here, a little drop. Alright. Let's give this a good mixture as well. The smell reminds me, if you ever go by one of those shops that do the baked nuts, where they mix them up with the cinnamon, like the pecans or the walnuts. That's exactly what my kitchen smells like right now. If you've ever smelt that, it's one of the most amazing smells. And if you haven't smelt that, you're missing out. I absolutely love this smell. And this is coating just nicely. Each little piece is getting coated nicely. Turn this around a little bit, you get a better angle here. Get underneath it all. Mix it all up really good. Just trying to make sure that every piece gets nice and coated before it completely cools off. I even have the kids in here smelling everything. Thinking that looks pretty good. I don't see anything left on the bottom or the sides. Everything looks nicely coated. Alright, and there you have it. You have our churro popcorn. Each one looks pretty good, coated nicely. Looks absolutely delicious. Well, there you have it. There's our churro popcorn. And the kids are dying and begging me to try some, so I'm putting them in the video, and they can be our official taste testers. Alright, here you go, Ashton. What do you guys think? Is that good?
Yeah. Okay, yummy.
Yeah. This is our churro popcorn. We could do more popcorn videos if you have any more suggestions, if you'd like to see a different flavor. And we could do that, come up with a recipe for you, and we'll make a video. Just comment below. Please like and subscribe, and we thank you, and we will see you in the next video.